ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ problems on this. Simplify x plus 1 whole to the power of 6 plus x minus 1 whole power 6. Simplify x plus 1 whole power 6 plus x minus 1 whole power 6 and hence evaluate root 2 plus 1 whole power 6 plus root 2 minus 1 whole power 6. This is a question which has already occurred in one of the previous year final exams, district papers, as a 3-marker. Let us see how to give the solution to this. When these kinds of questions are given, first we are going to expand only the positive series. Positive series yaudu? X plus 1 whole power 6, is it not? Now in this binomial form, that is x plus 1 whole to the power of 6, they have given the index is equal to 6. Andre power alli 6 kottidare. Power alli 6 ide andre the total number of terms in the expansion should become 1 more than that, right? So in the expansion there should be 6 plus 1 which is equal to 7 terms. How am I supposed to write the expansion of this x plus 1 whole power 6? Expand madana idana. The expansion will become x to the power of 6 plus 6c1. Decrease the power of x, introduce 1. Andre x power 5 into 1 agate. The next term should be 6c2 x to the power of 5 italva previously. Decrease that by 1 count. So you write x to the power of 4. Thereby increase the power of 1. Andre second factor ge power increase madbeku. It becomes 1 squared. Then next you will have 6c3 x to the power of 3 into 1 cube. 6c4 x to the power of 2 into 1 power 4. 6c5 x power 1 into 1 power 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6c6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 6c6 ನ ನಾನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. x power 0 also I will not mention. Directly I will write it as 1 to the power of 6. Just check for your reference if you have 7 terms or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms are there. Is it not? This becomes the expansion of x plus 1 whole power 6. Now similarly I want to write down what is x minus 1 whole power 6. X minus 1 whole power 6 ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? In the above formula or the above expansion, first term ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. x change ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ? x is retained as it is. n also is retained as it is. Only 1 has become minus 1. So you just change plus to minus alternatively. Plus to minus alternatively andre first term x power 6 keep it as it is. Second term alli change it to a minus 6c1. Minus 6c1 into x power 5 into 1. Third time alternate as plus. So you will have plus 6c2 x power 4 into 1 squared. Now again alternate for the next following term. You will get minus 6c3 x cube into 1. Repeat the process. Plus 6c4 x squared into 1 power 4. Because it was plus, you should write minus now. 6c5 x power 1 into 1 power 5. Minus is finished. I have to write plus 1 to the power of 6. This becomes the expansion of x minus 1 whole to the power of 6. Andre separately we have expanded these two. But what is called for? Both of these expansions need to be added anta alva. ಆ ಎರಡನ್ನು add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Let us suppose equations 1 and 2. Now I have to add. Sometimes adna subtract ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, wherein you will subtract. Whatever is asked for, we will follow the instruction. Now they have asked for addition, isn't it? So you're going to add up the two equations. When I add here, LHS will become x plus 1 whole power 6 plus x minus 1 whole power 6. The LHS of the two equations are just summed up. Now while I add the two expressions in the right hand side, there are few terms which are the same but with opposite signs. Alva? Opposite signs yaudide 6c1 x power 5 minus 6c1 x power 5. and when I add them, they cancel out with each other. ಅದೆರಡು eliminate ಆಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ, isn't it? Similarly, which is the other term that get cancelled out? Plus 6c3x cube into 1 cube minus 6c3 into x cube into 1 cube. Again, plus 6c5 x power 1 into 1 power 5 minus 6c5 x power 1 into 1 power 5. It also will cancel. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ. 7 terms will get eliminated. We will have this number of terms. So which are those terms remaining? X power 6, 6c2 x power 4, 6c4 x squared, 1 power 6. Second expression also same terms, isn't it? X power 6, 6c2 x power 4, 6c4 x squared, 1 power 6. They both are added 2 times andre I will write it c4 x squared, 1 power 6. Second expression also same terms, isn't it? X power 6, 6c2 x power 4, 6c4 x squared, 1 power 6. They both are added 2 times andre I will write it as 2 multiplied with x power 6. X power 6 plus x power 6 becomes 2x power 6. 6c2 x power 4 plus 6c2 x power 4 will be 2 6c2 x power 4. Now 2 common ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So 6c2 x power 4. 1 squared is nothing but 1 plus 6c4 x squared into 1 power 4 is 1 again plus 1 to the power of 6 which remains to be 1. ಇದನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 2 multiplied with x power 6 plus. Now what is the value of 6c2? How do I compute 6c2? 6c2 will be product of 2 factors from 6 in the descending order divided by factorial 2. Andre 6 into 5 divide by 2. 30 divide by 2, which is going to be 15. So 6c2 value, take it as equal to 15. Next 6c4. How to evaluate 6c4? 6c4 is the same as 6c, 6 minus 4. Using NCR equal to NC, N minus R. It becomes 6c2. 6c2 value find out ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, it is equal to 15. So you take this as equal to 15 into x squared plus 1. So this gives you the expansion ashte. Expansion of the binomial expression x plus 1 whole power 6 plus x minus 1 whole power 6. Idu one part aito. Continuation is what? They have asked us to evaluate root 2 plus 1 whole power 6 plus root 2 minus 1 whole power 6. So in the above expansion, I am going to substitute x is equal to root 2. What do you get then? Root 2 whole power 6 plus root 2 minus 1 whole power 6 in the LHS. RHS will get us root 2 whole power 6 plus 15 into root 2 power 4 plus 15 into root 2 squared plus 1. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. X ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು root 2 insert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Okay, no big deal in that. Now this becomes 2 multiplied with. How to evaluate root 2 power 6? Root 2 power 6 andre root 2 is nothing but 2 power half in the fractional index. Alva? Root is nothing but power half. So root 2 power 6 ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? 2 power half whole power 6. 2 power half whole power 6 will become 2 to the power of. Half of 6 is nothing but 3. 2 cube. And what is 2 cube? It is equal to 8. So root 2 power 6 is nothing but 8 plus 15 into root 2 power 4 similarly. Root 2 power 4 is also 2 power half whole power 4. Half of 4 will be 2. 2 squared becomes 4. Alva? So this is 15 into 4. Root 2 squared. What is root 2 squared? It is nothing but 2 plus 1. And simplify this completely. This becomes 8. 15 into 4, 60. 15 into 2, 30 plus 1. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತಿದು? 68, 69 plus 30. 99 alva? 2 times 99. 198 has to be the final answer. ಈ ತರದ್ದು 3 marks ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. They may not ask this and hence evaluate. Directly ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. Evaluate root 2 plus 1 whole power 6 plus root 2 minus 1 whole power 6. Directly they ask you to compute it. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 steps ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್, ವಿತ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ √2 ಇನ್ ಇಟ್. ಆ ತರದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.